Welcome to our journey through some of the most astonishing facts about our world and beyond. It is a voyage I, MJ, am thrilled to embark upon with you as we peel back the layers of the familiar to reveal the truly extraordinary that lies beneath. Our planet, and indeed the cosmos itself, is a theater of endless marvels, a place where the seemingly impossible becomes reality, and where every discovery opens a door to yet more profound questions. From the deepest oceans to the furthest reaches of space, from the grandest celestial bodies to the most intricate workings of life itself, there are stories waiting to be told, secrets yearning to be understood. Today we shall delve into a collection of such wonders, facts so startling they might challenge our very perception of what is normal, what is conceivable. We will explore the ancient past, the peculiarities of our solar system, the surprising intricacies of our own planet's geography, and even the hidden marvels within our own bodies. Prepare to be amazed, for the universe is far stranger and more wonderful than we often allow ourselves to imagine. It is a privilege to share these glimpses into the grand unfolding narrative of existence. Join me then as we venture forth, not just as observers but as participants in this grand exploration. Let curiosity be our guide and wonder our constant companion. The facts we're about to encounter are more than mere trivia. They are testaments to the incredible complexity and beauty of the universe, reminders that there is always something new to learn, something breathtaking to discover. Let us begin this remarkable expedition together. Consider, if you will, an Earth vastly different from the one we know. An Earth where the land, though present, was yet to be adorned by the verdant majesty of forests. In this primordial world, long before the first seed unfurled into a sapling, another dynasty was already well established in the vast, mysterious oceans. These were the sharks, creatures of immense antiquity whose lineage stretches back into the deep mists of time. For over 400 million years, these apex predators have navigated the world's waters, a testament to their evolutionary prowess and remarkable adaptability. They are living chronicles of our planet's history, silent witnesses to epochs long past. It is a staggering thought. Sharks, in their myriad forms, patrolled the ancient seas for some 50 million years before the first true trees began to reach for the sky. Imagine the oceans teeming with these formidable hunters, while the continents above were perhaps only just beginning to host the simplest of terrestrial plants. Trees, which we now see as ancient sentinels themselves, are relative newcomers when compared to the sharks' enduring presence. This profound difference in their timelines underscores the immense span of Earth's history and the slow, deliberate pace of evolution's grand design. The very air we breathe, enriched by forests, came much later than the silent gliding forms in the deep. The survival of sharks through multiple mass extinction events, which saw countless other species vanish, speaks volumes about their resilience. They have adapted to changing climates, shifting continents, and the rise and fall of other marine empires. To look upon a shark today is to glimpse a creature whose ancestors knew a world unrecognizable to us, a world that existed in a time so remote it almost defies comprehension. They are not mere fish, they are relics of an ancient Earth, a continuous thread of life woven through the fabric of geological time, reminding us of the enduring power of nature. Turning our gaze skyward towards our planetary neighbors, we encounter phenomena that challenge our Earth-centric understanding of time and celestial mechanics. Consider Venus, often called Earth's sister planet due to its similar size and composition, yet it harbors conditions and rhythms vastly different from our own. Here, the concept of a day and a year takes on a truly bewildering dimension. On Venus, one single languid rotation on its axis, what we would define as a Venusian day, takes longer to complete than its entire journey around the Sun, its orbital year. This is a temporal landscape unlike anything we experience. The numbers themselves are quite remarkable. Venus completes one rotation, its day, in approximately 243 Earth days. However, its orbital period, the Venusian year, is a mere 225 Earth days. This means that on Venus, a day is not just a fraction of its year, as it is on Earth. Rather, a day is considerably longer than its year. Imagine experiencing a sunrise and then waiting longer than an entire Venusian year for the next sunrise to occur. The slow, ponderous turn of the planet creates a unique and extreme environment, contributing to its runaway greenhouse effect and scorching surface temperatures. It's a stark reminder that even our closest planetary kin can operate under entirely different rules. This peculiar characteristic of Venus, its retrograde and incredibly slow rotation, is a puzzle that planetary scientists continue to study. Theories range from colossal ancient impacts to the complex gravitational interplay of solar tides and its thick, heavy atmosphere. Whatever the cause, it presents us with a world where the familiar rhythm of day following night, repeated many times within a year, is completely overturned. It forces us to expand our definition of what a day or a year can mean, illustrating the diverse and often counterintuitive ways planets can behave within a solar system. Venus remains a captivating enigma, a world of fire and slow time. Chapter 3. Our planet's geography often presents us with formations of such intricate complexity that they seem almost deliberately designed, like nature's own intricate puzzles. One such marvel, a true geographical curiosity, can be found in the Philippines. Here, we encounter a feature that sounds like a riddle, a nested series of land and water, an island within a lake, which itself is on an island within a larger lake, all situated on a main island. This is not a flight of fancy, but a tangible place, a testament to the dynamic geological forces that shape our world. It is a place known as Volcano Island. This remarkable natural structure is located within Taal Lake on the island of Luzon in the Philippines. Taal Lake itself is a large freshwater caldera formed by ancient volcanic eruptions. Within this lake rises Volcano Island, which is, as its name suggests, the remnant of a more recent volcanic cone. But the intricacies do not end there. On Volcano Island there is a crater lake, often referred to as Main Crater Lake, and, for a time, within this main crater lake, there was a small ephemeral island known as Vulcan Point. Thus, we had Vulcan Point, an island in Main Crater Lake, a lake on Volcano Island, an island in Taal Lake, a lake on Luzon Island, an island. Such a formation is a stunning example of how volcanic activity and water can interact to create landscapes of extraordinary complexity. Each layer of this geographical matryoshka doll tells a story of geological upheaval, of collapse and resurgence, of the power of water to fill the voids left by fire. While the existence of Vulcan Point within the main crater lake can be variable due to volcanic activity and water levels, the broader structure of an island within a lake on an island remains a fascinating and visually striking feature. It reminds us that Earth's surface is a canvas of constant change where beauty and complexity are often intertwined in the most unexpected ways. Chapter 4. Within our own bodies, a silent, ceaseless process of renewal is constantly underway, often unperceived, yet fundamental to our very structure and vitality. Consider the skeleton, that intricate framework that supports us, protects our vital organs, and allows us to move through the world. We might think of our bones as static, permanent structures once we reach adulthood, like the unchanging beams of a house. However, the truth is far more dynamic. Your skeleton is not the same collection of bone tissue it was a decade ago. It is, in essence, a living, constantly remodeling entity undergoing a remarkable transformation. This extraordinary feat is achieved through a delicate balance of two types of specialized cells: osteoclasts, which break down old bone tissue, and osteoblasts, which build new bone tissue in its place. This continuous process, known as bone remodeling, ensures that our bones remain strong and can repair themselves from the minor stresses and strains of daily life. Approximately every 10 years, it is estimated that most of an adult skeleton is completely replaced with new material. This isn't a sudden overhaul, but a gradual, ongoing replacement, molecule by molecule, cell by cell, ensuring the integrity of our internal architecture. It's a marvel of biological engineering. Think of it, the very framework that defines your physical form is in a state of perpetual flux, a river of biological material flowing through you. This constant regeneration means that the bones carrying you today are, in a very real sense, younger and different from those that supported you in your youth. It's a profound reminder that even the seemingly most solid parts of ourselves are subject to the dynamic processes of life, constantly adapting, repairing, and renewing. Our bones are not inert scaffolding, but living tissue, a testament to the body's incredible capacity for self-maintenance and change throughout our lives. Chapter 5. In the grand theatre of the universe, light plays a central role, from the blazing infernos of stars to the gentle luminescence of a firefly. But what if I told you that we too, human beings, participate in this cosmic dance of light, albeit in a far more subtle and almost imperceptible way? It is a remarkable truth that the human body naturally emits light, a phenomenon known as human bioluminescence. This is not the stuff of fantasy or science fiction, but a scientifically observed reality, a faint, ethereal glow that emanates from within us, a product of the complex metabolic processes that sustain our lives. This human glow, however, is incredibly faint, approximately 1,000 times less intense than the light levels our naked eyes are capable of perceiving. It's a light so subtle that it can only be detected by highly sensitive cameras capable of capturing individual photons. The light emission is not constant, but fluctuates throughout the day, typically being lowest in the morning and peaking in the late afternoon. It's thought to be a byproduct of cellular respiration, where highly reactive free radicals are produced during metabolic processes, and these can interact with lipids and proteins, releasing tiny amounts of energy in the form of photons. While we cannot see this light ourselves, its existence is a fascinating insight into our own biology, connecting us to the broader phenomenon of bioluminescence seen in many other organisms, from deep-sea creatures to fungi. It's a reminder that even in the quiet darkness, our bodies are vibrant with activity, a subtle shimmer of life at the very edge of visibility. This faint emission is a delicate signature of our metabolic engine, a whisper of light that speaks to the constant chemical reactions occurring within each of our cells. It's another hidden wonder of the human form, a testament to the intricate and often surprising nature of life itself. And so our brief exploration of these mind-blowing facts draws to a close, but the sense of wonder, I trust, will linger. We have journeyed from the ancient oceans predating forests to the peculiar timeline of Venus, ventured into the nested islands of the Philippines, and even peered into the dynamic nature of our own bones and the subtle light we emit. Each fact a small window into the immense and often bewildering complexity of the universe and the life it harbors. It is my hope, as MJ, that these glimpses have ignited a spark of curiosity, a desire to look closer at the world around us and within us. The pursuit of knowledge is a journey without end, for the more we learn, the more we realize how much there is still to discover. These astonishing truths are not isolated curiosities. They are threads in the vast, interconnected tapestry of existence. They remind us that reality is often far stranger and more magnificent than fiction. From the grand cosmic scale to the intricacies of our own biology, mysteries abound, waiting for inquisitive minds to unravel them. Let us carry this sense of awe with us, allowing it to color our perception of the everyday. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing facts. The universe is whispering its secrets, and together we can continue to listen, to learn, and to be utterly amazed by the sheer ingenuity and beauty of it all. Until our next adventure into the extraordinary, keep questioning, keep exploring, and keep wondering.